Welcome to our channel. Today, I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, the sound speaker in the Motorola GL05 phone. The first thing we need to do is make sure the phone is turned off. Never clean the phone while it's on, because you could damage it. We need a brush with flexible bristles, but the bristles should be soft or medium hard, otherwise you might scratch your phone. We need alcohol and a panel remover, 100% pure. First so it softens the dirt for us, and then so it evaporates and leaves no trace. You can buy both of these things as a set. Allegro, Amazon. And if you don't have one or can't buy anything anywhere, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. Once you have your phone turned off, dampen the toothbrush so it's wet. If you don't have a diffuser, you can simply use a small container and dip your toothbrush in it. We take the phone. These 3 holes are the buzzer, and we need to clean them, so go over each one 4 to 5 times in one direction. We need to clean each of these holes, and then do the same on the other side. Each of these holes needs to be cleaned 4 to 5 times. And then you can also go sideways, especially if it's very dirty. So, sideways. You can clean each of these holes, and then do the same sideways on the other side. That way it will be perfectly cleaned and as good as new, just like out of the box. It's a good idea to repeat this process 2 to 3 times in each direction. And then you can be sure that the buzzer is perfectly clean and will work like new. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and only then turn the phone on and use it as normal. This is recommended because right now the alcohol is kind of blocking the buzzer, so you wouldn't even be able to hear properly whether it's working correctly or if there's still something wrong with it. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.